Welcome, Sunshine Squad. Today we are turning ourselves into Disney princesses, and it's also my birthday. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So anyway, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join the Sunshine Squad too, and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I post a new fun, creative, weird, cosplay themed type of video every single Thursday at 10 a.m. If you love Disney princesses and you loved the new Aladdin movie as much as I did, then you're going to be super excited with this fun makeup look. We're going to take two of my favorite Disney movies, the Wreck-It Ralph and the princesses, obviously Princess Jasmine, Aladdin, it fits. And we're gonna do a Princess Jasmine Wreck-It Ralph themed cosplay look with a little bit of personal twist on it. So stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it too.
Alright guys, so first we're gonna prep the skin with some drops of youth oil. We always gotta make sure that we prep our skin before we put face paint or any type of makeup to it. Next, I'm going to add some primer by e.l.f. It's my glow primer. Now we're going to take some foundation so we can get it all over my face. Alright, I'm going to add some NYX concealer. So this is kind of how I conceal my face. I go and do my under eyes, I do above my lip, I do my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then I like to put some on my lids because I feel like concealer works better for me than eyeshadow primer does. So yeah, this is just the way I do it. I know it looks crazy, but I promise you it turns out really cute in the end. And then I just go through and I just blend it, pat it out, blend it all out, and set it with some powder. So yeah. Also, comment below and tell me what your favorite song from the Aladdin movie is, or who your favorite Disney princess is, because I would love to know. I absolutely would. I'm so excited to hear from you guys. Okay, now it is time to bronze these cheekies and bronze and contour this face. I don't know if you guys have seen the live action movie, but this princess lives in Agrabah, so we gotta make sure that we keep her face gorgeously bronzed with that nice sunshiny glow, y'all. Just saying. For the Disney princess looks, I'm going to be going to the Designer Disney palette from ColourPop. All the colors I will be using will be listed in the cosplay guide for you guys to follow along with. I will also be using the Sugary Cosmetics Lollipop palette, and all of those colors will also be listed. Finally, time for the eye makeup. So first we're going to take a boo and we are going to just put that in our crease. This is great to be used as a transition color. We're going to take Magic Carpet starting at the outer corner of our eye and blend it out. Taking Poison Apple and packing it onto the outer corner of my lid. Taking that darker blue color from the Sugary Cosmetics Lollipop palette and we're going to pat it in the corner of our eye. Going to take that light blue color and we are going to put it in between both those eyeshadow colors. I was really inspired with these colors by the outfits that Princess Jasmine wore in the movie. Taking Chip and from the Disney designer palette and we are just going to blend the entire eyeshadow look out. I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes. Now let's add some mascara. Going to take my favorite e.l.f. palette and we are going to add some color to these cheeks. Going back into that highlighter, we're going to add some on the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, and right at my eye. No princess look would be complete without her princess lipstick from ColourPop. I'm using the color Jasmine to make this look completely complete. Wait a minute, it's time for an outfit change. Huh, let's use a little of our princess magic.
There you have it. This has been really fun to do for my birthday. You are the gorgeous and clever Princess Jasmine. We did it, you guys. And I have created an entire cosplay guide with all of the princesses that are coming up, including Jasmine, the one I just did, and where I got the shirts from to do the Wreck-It Ralph look, and where I am what I'm wearing on my face, so that you can get a complete guide to be able to do exactly what I just did. Included will also be a bonus video on how to do something extra to make the cosplay pop. So stay tuned for that, click the link in the bio and make sure you get yours. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you let me know by liking it and also subscribing and joining the Sunshine Squad, because we're a great group of fun people. And make sure that you stay tuned next week for another fun and entertaining and really cool looking princess video, if I do say so myself. Hey, but you're not done yet. There's so much more. There's so much more. There's tons of videos to check out. You can check out this video, or you can check out that video, or you can check out our website. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.